Welcome back to Sarita's garden. We've had a lot of rain lately. This is July 1st and just documenting this area of the property just to keep track of what does well where. So this is on the northeast side of the property, but of this little area, which is where we have bananas and some other trees in here, like carambola. This side is drier. Even though you can see how much the papaya hated how wet it was, it is actually slightly drier here. You can see how the pigeon pea is doing just fine. Of course, the banana is super happy with all the water. No problems there. And then in the center area, you can see how this papaya says no gracias. This pigeon pea fine. And then as we come across to the more eastern side, this is where, again, papaya quite unhappy. But look how unhappy the pigeon pea is. So we'll just keep track of that. This more eastern spot of this planting area is definitely on the wetter side, and just to watch what we put in here in the future. This is a really heavily standing water area. Today is Saturday. We've had standing water in here. Gosh, I'm just not even gonna say. I'll have to put it in the notes because I can't even recall. But we've had rain for many days, and I think we had 2 inches and then another inch within the last week, like back to back. So the things that are happy are sweet potato, obviously. You see this all around the bottom. This is a mulberry. It's right in the thick of the water, and it is just fine. Plectranthus or toilet paper plant, not so happy there. Moringa does take a little bit of a beating in the heavy rains. I have noticed that each time. It doesn't seem to fully die, but it has a reaction in the leaf that it doesn't seem very happy. Again, this is another mulberry here. I believe it says called World's Best. Mexican sunflower, sweet potato. But those guys are happy, and now you can see how just a little bit higher this pigeon pea is just fine. So learning the nuances of the property and what's more wet than other areas, and that helps us a lot for future planting. Thanks for joining Sarita's Garden. See you next time.